Hello everyone! My name is Jacob from Children's Museum Houston. I'm here in the Inventor's Workshop and we are sponsored today by Total. I have this tape, whoa! Oh no, it's so far away. What am I gonna do? How am I gonna get the tape? How am I ever gonna reach it?
I'm gonna put on my safety glasses.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to build the longest claw in the world. Let's get to work. Okay, here is my claw. Let's see if we can get that tape with this thing. Okay. What was I gonna do with this? We'll figure it out next time. Okay, everybody. Again, I am Jacob from Children's Museum Houston. I am in the Inventor's Workshop. Today's episode was sponsored by Total. And we'll see you next time, hopefully with a project that has to do with tape, because I cannot remember what this one was gonna be. Bye.